Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 120 minus 18 divided by 3 multiply 2. Okay, so now let's solve this question. But before I show you the answer, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video now and write your answer with step by step in comment because I personally scoring every comments out of 10. So let's see who gets a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay. After comment your answer, you can check your answer by play this video. Okay, so please first comment then play this video and see the solution. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also, we have addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question here we have one subtraction, one parenthesis, and one multiplication. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 120 minus, now solve this parenthesis, 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6 multiply 2. Now here is one subtraction and here is one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So 120 minus, now multiply 6 multiply 2 is equal to 12. So 120 minus 12 is equal to 118. Okay. So the correct answer is 118. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.